10 years of coding advice in about 60 seconds. First off, always use a debugger. You can't cheat time in the saddle. Stop looking for shortcuts and get used to making mistakes. Interviewing is the highest paying skill, like it or not. It's much easier to switch jobs than to get a raise. Do stuff that makes you nervous or else you'll just be stagnant. You gotta have a side project just to keep your skills relevant because tech moves so fast. If you have a really dumb question, I can guarantee you that somebody else is also afraid to ask that dumb question, so ask it. Write tests, for the love of God. Keep a brag document of everything you did throughout the year, or else when it comes for review time, you're gonna wonder, what the hell did I just do all year long? Leave the code better than the way you found it. Never make people feel dumb. It's bad for your career and your soul. If arguing about coding languages online actually worked, then none of us would be using JavaScript. Marketing, design, sales, legal, product, these are all just as important, if not more important, than the engineering team at many companies. You need to understand if your team is a cost center or a profit center. And if you don't know, you're probably a cost center. You need to understand this before the market turns to see where you stand in the big scheme of things. The closer you are to the data, the harder you're going to be to replace. Try to get a little closer to the data. There's a lot of really smart assholes out there. Pro tip: don't be one. A walk outside solved way more bugs than staring at a screen for hours on end. And last one, be careful whose advice you take.